Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, we had this big move up last night in the Asian session because of an announcement that Trump made. This move happened at about 1 o'clock in the morning for me, so it definitely wasn't a tradable move for me as I was sleeping at the time. But a lot of the times, these Trump announcement moves actually by the end of the day just end up all the way back to where they originally started. And I still wouldn't be surprised if my original analysis of this going down is still correct. But the market knows best, right? And the market is up based on structure, right? We have a breakup and then we're making higher lows. And because this is an engulfing move to the upside, the market is also back up based on market flow. The market knows best. No matter what our analysis says, we should be bullish right now on this pair. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we put our Fibonacci retracement on here just in case we get a breakdown at a fib level. We're sitting at the 61%. I think the break of structure needs to be here. I don't really think this little subdivision is going to tell you anything. So if it goes down and breaks that, I would definitely become bearish. If it does something like this, makes like a nice solid double top at the 61 or the 78%, and does this, I would definitely become bearish then. Otherwise, like I said, we need to be bullish. It could go down, it could go up, it could go down, it could go up, and then just make higher low, higher low, higher low, and just keep on going up. So the market flow, especially on the daily time frame, is definitely telling us to look for longs. And I would definitely be looking for longs unless we get a nice solid break to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.